right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. One thing I do want to mention is I did this last year, and I enjoyed it. I've talked about this. I'm a huge fan of Christmas. Again, I've joked I'm basically Clark Griswold when it comes to Christmas. But head over to my personal Instagram, at TBOHEN. And I did it last year. I'm going to do it again this year. We got 12 trading days until Christmas. So we've got 12 weekdays until Christmas Eve. And what I did last year and what I'm going to do again is I'm going to give you 12 free or very inexpensive trading resources as my little gift back to all of you. So I will try and give you a bunch of free stuff, but it'll be like probably a lot of books, okay? So $20 book. I mean, listen, like Daily Trading Coach, which I know will be one of them, okay? Spoiler alert. But Daily Trading Coach is like $20, and I think it's worth, all joking aside, it's probably worth $2,000. I mean, the value you get out of that book. So anyway, my personal Instagram, TBOHEN. Give me a follow. Later today, I'll do the first trading day of Christmas. Again, free and or low cost. And for the next 12 trading days up until Friday, Christmas Eve. All right, welcome back. Couple things to go over from yesterday. DWAC. If you remember, the quite possibly the greatest Whitney Houston impersonation of all time. I like to stay pretty modest. Listen, I try and not, brag and boast. But yesterday morning, when I sang you the $60 break song about DWAC, it was, probably better than Whitney Houston, really. Again, I hate to be boastful. It was better than Whitney Houston. It was. Just in her prime. Simple fact. Hey, it's just reality. Anyway, we got the $60 break yesterday on DWAC. And guess what? We got old Whitney Tilson bashing it. So many of you might know Whitney Tilson. He had a good run. But man, the last 5 years, that dude couldn't fall out of a boat and hit water. Like literally, if that guy fell out of a boat, he would fall out of the boat like right next to shore, and he'd land on land. And he'd be like, I fell out of a boat. I can't even hit water. Anyway, shorts are going to be bagged now. 60 was your level. Watch for the SEC news, okay? Keep in mind, there is that pending SEC investigation. Keep an eye on your headlines. Remember, the beautiful thing about StocksToTrade is you can add an alert when news drops. So keep that in mind. Take advantage of that. But DWAC, that was the level we were looking for. ENSC, I want to be clear. I do not expect any of you to be up and trading at 4 a.m. Okay? I don't expect that. But if you remember ENSC, this is that squeeze pattern multi-day straight out of the ebook, okay? That break of previous day's highs, okay? When this broke 350, now again, it was at 4 a.m. I'm not saying anyone should have been up at 4 a.m., but pattern-wise, when this thing broke 350, after that big spike and grind, the party was on. And if you want more confirmation, remember ISIG, okay? Bear with me, okay? If you're just listening on audio, please jump over to the YouTube and bear with me. Look at this ISIG. Spikes, does nothing day 2, breaks the day 1 high. Okay, you ready? There's the NSC, okay? Nothing changed. Nothing changed. It's the exact same pattern. And we've been seeing this on day 3, we've been seeing it on day 3, and we've been seeing it on day 3. So don't let these big gainers fall off your list. All right, what do you think about PPSI? It says Anil. Week open red to green. Nice one. Ooh, I like that, yeah. PPSI, week open, red to green. Actually, let me do this. DWAC discussion of that 60 level we waited on, or I begged you to wait on. I begged you to wait for 2 months, basically 2 months. And then ENSC, ISIG, this day 3 surge is the hot pattern right now. Don't sleep, son. So what you're looking at on that, again, on that that surge pad, day 3 surge, you're just looking for those low float stocks that have held up, and just kind of grind sideways on Friday. Why's my insert on? Shut off, insert! Anyway, whatever. Roger asked about LCID. Remember, we got another SEC investigation. So, red to greens. Trade red to greens on LCID. Remember, you got an SEC investigation. Wait until we know more. ENSC is up. Yeah, again, CJ. So we already discussed ENSC. You might say, what's the play? So again, I told you, you shouldn't be, most of you shouldn't be up trading at 4 a.m. So the point is, CJ's asking for a play. The rock smells a glorious 945 dipping. So, do you smell what Timbo Claus is cooking? ENSC textbook 945 dipping rip. Conrad, that's about IINN. Jeez. Oh, man. Awesome, man. Remember when it was, slow for a couple days? Jeez, oh, Pete. What is this? Flagship art device. What is this? Nah. And the news is from yesterday. It's let me guess. Over 550. So over 550 this goes because everybody's green. Other than the idiots that got smoked on October 26th, over 550 everybody's green. That spike back in October is just idiots getting margined out. So, SYTA. So remember SYTA. This is basically a day 3 too, right? Anything look familiar? Here we go. So here's your day 3 surge. So probably breaks of pre-market highs or afternoon breaks of the day 1 level. Man, I'm telling you, this is the pattern right now. Okay. Write this down. Here's my gift to you. Okay. Low float, big gainer, sideways grind on day 2, starts moving on day 3, volume comes in. Look for the breaks of day 1's highs. Look for dip and rips. Looking for UAP holds. So, yeah. So I will end on that. Where's my notes? Okay. As I mentioned earlier, Head on over to my personal Instagram at TBOHN. Give me a follow later today. I will start the 12 trading days of Christmas. If you got here late, it's going to be either free or very inexpensive trading related resources, one every trading day up until Christmas Eve. So, all right. Have a great day, my friends, and we will see you next time.